So yeah, I need more practice. The swirl is not what I was going for, not what I hoped. Okay, so I need a lot more practice. We'll see how the other lobes turn out, but this was not at all what I was going for. Also, putting the embed in completely displaced the swirl too. But these are too muddied for me. Also, the green was getting really thick where the light green and the red were not. I mean, it's not awful. It smells really good. The apple on top is cute, but I definitely need a lot more practice. I also think I should do it without trying to add embeds in it, because embeds just displace. Yeah, so I've learned something more. I know this is going to be a learning experience. This is partly why I've planned, I think, 6 of the 10 fall soaps using this slab mold, so I could practice with this technique and see if I can get the swirls to look pretty. Like, that's in the right direction. This probably would have continued, but again, I put an apple in there, so. But that one's not awful. I like that one. So yeah, I need to practice some more. I'll get it. I'll eventually master the swirling, but I don't know. It's not perfect right now. It's not what I was going for, but it's by no means awful. And the apple's cute and it smells good. So let me know what you think.